Hello, welcome back to the TV room. So I found this program which tests disk drives many, many times. If you just press zero, or it's not zero, if you press enter, it'll do it 1,000 times. That would take a while. Anyway, there was a thing I did a while back, and I think one of the most useful things that these test things do is move the head from one end to the other. In other words, track 1 to 35, track 35 to 1. Da, da, da. So I have modified this program slightly in that I've changed the colors mostly so it looks better there. I have more color things to find. I do. But I have found in here the part that I believe I need and would like to go more and do more. I believe where it is going from track 1 to track 35. So I'm going to try something. I'm going to put a line, a new line, 1566. And I'm going to say for dB equals 1 to 10. Also, I'm going to poke 280, 0. I guess I didn't need to do that in that line, but I'm going to poke 53280, comma, 1, comma 0. And I will print to change the thing to, you know what, I didn't need to do that there in the loop. 1567 for dB equals 1 to 10. Now, let's see here. Okay, I think I have found the spot that I would need to put in the next I did this once before. Oh, sorry, next dB. I think. Does this look right? Well, we'll find out. So I've added a line that will change the colors, and I've also just added a loop around this one section, which would go from 1 to 35. And for those that don't know about 4 next loops, they're quite handy. Like most people, I don't know why, it just always ended up people use I. For I equals 1 to 100. You want to do something to do 100 times? Do it. Okay, there's the program zipping by. Now I do need to look for more places that it changes the screen color stuff. I don't really need that. I just want this to go one time. Okay. So, it does still have to format the disk. All right, so we are testing We are testing, and I'm going to save this program, assuming it. Now, this disk here, the one from Commodore, is not notched. I'm not going to notch it. What I'll end up doing if this works, and eventually it will, even if I don't have this quite in the right spot, I will save it onto this disk I've just formatted here. So we are writing data. I've often thought about changing this too, so it actually writes a whole lot more data. But I have not investigated this as of yet. Yep. So now we are reading the data. Exciting as this is, I know. Most exciting. Anyway, I'd like to change this. I would like to get rid of this blue screen thing, but I'll have to look for that. It's funny, there was a program in long ago called Power 64, and I got the CBC to get it for me because I was doing stuff for them, and it was very helpful because you could search in the program for where things were, and you could renumber lines, and you could merge programs, do all kinds of magical things. Okay, so we're scratching the file, and I think now is where, oh yeah, now we working. So I now I did get that in the right spot. Now we'll see if it actually, we'll see now if it actually comes out of it okay. Pass with 0 errors. Okay, you've successfully, no, okay. I don't know why it has to change the screen thing. Now there are a couple things in here that I don't like. I do not. For example, there's a thing here that says that is too many. And it's got the wrong 2. And there was something else here. And I am probably just being a little bit of a stickler here. So far, so good. Partner. Change that to partner. And I guess I will go through quickly, sort of. And look and see. You know what? I'm going to just do something. Print 13 times 4096 53248. That could be possibly. It seems to do that a lot. Maybe that's screen stuff. Maybe that's another poke. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. Oh, well. Okay. I'm going to save on this disk performance. Well, I'm not going to call it that. Perf burn. Perf burn db, 8. Okay, it seems to have saved. It does. Now, of course, I don't have the I don't have the cartridge in. I don't have whatever, so I can't check very well to see if that's saved, but it says it's saved. So I'm going to put another disk in here. Type run. I could probably get rid of all that. I don't like that. Okay, I'm going to say 10. Alright, so this is going to do its thing. Oh, look, another fake friend request. Now I can tell it's a fake friend request. It has like 2 pictures. Oh, well, they have more. They have more, but it's not the same person. And it's a young person. No. Digital creator. Yeah, right. It's crop. Different person. Digital creator. Right. Well, we will respond. Let's say no. All right. So we modified the program, and we've saved it. And now we'll let this be tortured and tormented. And I am not going to sit here while it does it, and neither should you. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.